This video explains how to handle a microscope correctly and examine a specimen using the low-power objective lenses 4x and 10x. First thing, you must use both hands to carry the microscope. One hand should firmly grasp the arm, and the other should support the base. Secondly, is examining a specimen using low-power objective lenses. Start with the lowest power objective. Use the coarse adjustment knob to bring the specimen into approximate focus. And did you see what I've got? Then, after you get an image, you slowly switch to 10x. Remember, at this point, you should only use the fine adjustment knob to refine the focus. And see? It is more zoom than the image you keep using
4x.